Welcome back to Don's Cookbook. 5 cooking tips that will instantly make your time in the kitchen better and more enjoyable. Tip 1, we want to secure your board from sliding around. Grab some damp paper towels, place it under your board, push down on the board, and this will not be going anywhere. A stable board makes everything you do safer and easier. Tip number 2, put some music on in the background. Cooking shouldn't feel rushed or stressful. Put some music on and enjoy the process. I like to put a record on, but you put whatever you prefer. My best recommendations for cooking music are Frank Sinatra, Ella Fitzgerald, and Chet Baker. Tip number 3 is to learn proper knife skills. Learning to chop properly makes you faster, safer, and more consistent. If you're interested in me doing a video all about learning how to chop properly and use proper chef knife technique, let me know in the comments and I'll try to get that up for you guys. Also, if you are enjoying this style of video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Tip number 4, always keep a kitchen towel nearby. One of the most useful tools in the entire kitchen. You can use it to dry your hands, wipe down your board or any surfaces, and even use it to hold hot pans and handles. And tip number 5, follow a recipe, especially when you're learning. Once you know the rules, then you can start to break them. Get yourself some good cookbooks, watch some YouTube videos, and you'll get there. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.